guys, what's up to my YouTube channel? Today it was such a windy weather that I needed to make a video. Let's sit on the chair. So yeah, today's been a very windy day and I brought a manja right here to sit. As you guys can see, there's our new house that is getting built, and here are the rest of the houses. Very nice weather, very wonderful. Today is actually a very short video, but look at the sky. It's so black in the area that just wow. And here are some like trees. Cool, right? Right now it's like very gloomy today. Oh, a dark cloud. It's actually a very good weather today. If it's a weather at your house, the same, go for a walk because that will actually be very nice. Cool. Yeah, so right over here is Coco's garden. We are trying to make it. Like the rest of the house is pretty cool. And yeah, today was such a good weather. I kept on playing badminton until my feet started hurting. So today was a short video, but if you like it, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell in the face so you never miss a video. Bye me and subscribe if you're new. Bye guys.